Welcome to a journey of discovery that could transform your gardening experience. Today, we're delving into an unlikely hero in plant care, dry yeast. Known mostly for baking, this humble ingredient holds surprising potential as a powerful supplement for your plants. Imagine this common scenario: your plants seem lackluster despite regular watering and sunlight. You might wonder, is there a natural way to boost their vitality? Enter dry yeast, a natural supplement that's gaining attention for its ability to enhance plant growth. So, what makes dry yeast so special? It's all about the nutrients. Yeast is rich in essential compounds that promote healthy root development and boost overall plant vigor. When used properly, it can help plants absorb nutrients more efficiently, leading to stronger, more resilient growth. But let's tackle a common misconception: not all supplements need to be synthetic or chemical heavy to be effective. Dry yeast offers a sustainable, eco-friendly alternative that aligns with nature's rhythm. And here's the science-backed truth: yeast releases beneficial enzymes and vitamins that help break down organic matter in the soil, making nutrients more accessible to plants. Now, you might be wondering, how do you actually use dry yeast in your garden? It's simple. Start by dissolving a small amount in warm water to activate it. Once activated, mix it into your watering routine or incorporate it into your compost. This easy application can lead to noticeable improvements in plant health and yield over time. By choosing dry yeast, you're not just feeding your plants, you're nurturing them with a natural, safe, and effective supplement. So why not give your garden the best nature has to offer? Thank you for joining us in exploring the benefits of dry yeast as a plant supplement. Share your experiences and let's grow together in our journey towards more vibrant, thriving gardens.